Ava's gonna join you.
Soon.
It's beautiful. Look at this wonderful spring day. Middle of April.
That's crazy.
So we are now in what, day 2?
Day 2.
Day 2 of Blizzard 2018 in April.
April 15th?
April 15th, yeah. What are you doing, you silly dog? Are you rolling around in the snow? Are you stuck? And Harley is trying to jump the fence. Look at you, silly. Are you making dog angels? And here's Harley. There she goes. Yeah, there was nothing here at all. There was grass 2 days ago. Look at how much snow was on that roof. I wonder how much is on our roof. I don't know if I want to know. Yeah. We have a high pitch, so not a lot stays up there. This. There's our pool, which I'm sure is dead. I'll have to buy a new liner. Yeah, this is wonderful. Look at how much snow's on top of my woodshed. Holy moly! Yeah. Everyone's getting a little stir crazy. Not gonna do a lot of grilling on there today. Einstein, did you have fun outside? Did you have fun outside? Oh my goodness. Einstein, we played in the snow. Yo, buddy. Yo. Ah!
What are you two doing? Oh my gosh, where's your hat, Ava? Good luck with that. Where's your hat? You took it off?
Yeah. It's over there.
Okay, well make sure you find it before it gets buried.
No, the farther you get, the deeper you get.
I know, it's crazy, isn't it?
Yeah, do that. It's all the way down.
Oh my gosh, you are almost buried. Hello, Fluffy. Okay, I am freezing out here. It's up to your waist. Okay, you guys, stay warm. Hi, buddy. What? Something to write with? Use your finger. Oh my goodness. Okay, I need to go get your brother.
What's up, Mr. Logan? What do you think of all this stuff? Huh?
He's like, I can't move.
He's like, I don't get it. What is all this stuff? So the girls have made a slide out of the stairs. You guys still got to be careful. You can still hurt yourself on that.
Good slide for. If they wouldn't have done that, they could have gone down it with the sled.
Yeah. Mr. Little. Oh, you're giving kisses. Jerry, maybe not outside, okay?
Yeah.
That was so fun. That was it.
Oh, good carrot. Where's your stick? Did you eat it? Yeah, you did. You ate the stick? Yeah. At least it's a warm snow. Harley, are you just trying to get him to play? He's an old man, he doesn't want to play. Harley, both of ya. Inside voices. Inside voices. Bye, Mr. Logan. You go enjoy the warm weather inside, okay? I'll see you soon. Huh? Yeah. Hey, April blizzard. Yeah.
Blizzard Evelyn.
That's what it's called? Ugh. Jeez. Almost fell. Oh. It looked painful to me. I'm glad we built that so you could have a snow slide. Harley's gonna slide too. Careful. You better get up there. You got to move it, move it. So it is April 15th and we are in the middle of a blizzard. Welcome to Wisconsin winter. Woo! We're in fake spring right now. Okay, my arm is getting cold. Are you gonna race or not? Poor Curie's Harley. We had so many dogs. Poor Harley's just trying to get eyesight to play. She's got like 11 years on her. Silly doggies. Okay, I'm gonna go in because I'm cold. Okay?
Okay.
I'm gonna bring Harley in too.
Okay.
Okay? Harley! Enough! Hey! Inside voice! Harley! Come on, girl. Let's go. That's a good girl.
Meanwhile.
And this is when I come into the house and see what the hell's going on in here. Are you drinking already?
Everything gets loaded.
Everyone's lost their damn mind. Little bit of snow, everyone goes crazy.
He was having a good time.
I'm sure he was.
How he seen you come in.
I was having a good time watching that. That was more than you move most times.
Who's your dancing?
Look at you two. You're drenched. My goodness.
So do we eat hot cocoa?
Yeah.
Hot cocoa.
Oh, my son can go.
So much for keeping
Hey,
it wet.
why don't you take the wet, keep the wet in the kitchen?
Oh.
Come on, please. I don't want to walk on wet rock.
Come here, you two.
Oh my goodness gracious.
Oh, look at your pants. Good thing you don't have school tomorrow.
Yeah. I'll try. Dogs! Come on! Get in the house.
I'm gonna throw these way down.
Einstein. No, I'm getting boots thrown at me. Einstein, come on. Harley, come on. I know you love the snow. Everybody loves the snow. Except for Dad, who's got to move it.
Later.
What are you doing?
I'm going to go sit outside and have a drink. It's April.
Have you looked outside?
Yeah? Screw that. It's April. Did you use all the ice?
I haven't made myself a drink yet.
These. Got one of these. Work. Okay. Work. you when I'm done.
I'm gonna get my jacket.
I'll get it for you.
Give me a chair too. Give me a chair too. Give me a chair too.
Okay. You need snow pants, honey, too.
Well, Dad doesn't need one. He just needs pants. I love you, Dad.
Hello, Joe.
Ava's gonna join you.
Soon.
Beautiful. Look at this wonderful spring day. Middle of April.
I'm cold standing right here.
Did you see how much snow is on top of the woodshed?
No.
Hi, come too, Mom. Hi, come too. Mom, can I come? Please. Oh, look at all this snow.
Look at all the snow.
Cold.
Cold is right, Ava.
Nah, it's fine. Gotta live in Wisconsin.
You enjoy
I
yourself.
will.
Okay, and I'll be right out here with you soon.
Okay.
The following day.
So, it looks as though it's done. Here is the damage. Well, not damage. You know, accumulation. Whatever you want to call it. And because we live in an old neighborhood with a single driveway, I can't get my snowblower out of the damn garage. So, I don't know how I'm gonna do this. But of course the plow went through. So, this should be fun for the next couple hours. Love the plow.
2 hours later.
Okay, done. Took forever, it felt like. The problem is that we had a slush storm first, so everything sticks to the ground, and the snowblower just wants to go over the top of it, so you can't actually get anything but the top layer. So I had to shovel actually a lot of this. And you can see I didn't do the sidewalk. I might do it later, but I ran out of gas. And quite honestly, my back hurts like hell. So, this better be it, because I'm not doing this again. I'll hire a plow.